All right, everybody. I just got done with a sneezing fit. Hopefully I don't do it again. All right, start. Put your toaster oven. Take this joker, put it on about 350. I'd say 350. I'm gonna say start with 350. Turn it on, and I'm going to butter. I got a little pan here. I'm gonna butter my pan real quick. Hang on. So we buttered it. Now we're gonna garlic it. Just throw some garlic in there. Not a whole lot. We're gonna put some more on top of it when we're done, or afterwards. So what we're gonna do is put this in the toaster oven and let that butter melt. That's what we'll do. In the meantime, we have steamed some corn and some little baby red potatoes. That's gonna be good. It's gonna go with our clock. All we got is regular old great value boneless and skinless tilapia fillets. I got some here I've already thawed out. Let me put this back. I don't want to play back, no. I don't know what you're doing, playback. So what I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out of the package. They're like shrink wrapped. I'm just gonna cut them out and get them ready to go into the toaster oven. They're wet. When they come out of these packages, they're wet. So I want to get some of that water off of there. I don't want all that water on it. Dump it out. Dump them out. Yep, got that one dumped out. Perfect. Let's get that dumped out. Now let's go ahead and tamp some of that water off of there with a paper towel. Just do like that. Get some of that, dry that shit off a little bit. Don't need all that water on there. Nah, I don't need that much water on there. Maybe I don't need it. I don't know where that water came from. Hell, I don't know where these fish came from. Probably came from a farm, but you know what? They are good. I like them. They're very delicious. And we're fixing to take these and put them in the pan and stick them in the toaster oven. Okay, there's our little pan full of butter and garlic that we got ready. And we're gonna go ahead and just take these, stick them on there. Let's try to use that to spread that around some. Wow, these are almost too big for, these are almost gonna be too big for my pan. Okay, let's go ahead and do that one like that. Now, what you wanna do, after you wash your hands, we'll be right back. Okie dokie. Next thing you do is take you some brand new Parmesan. This is brand new. You don't have to use a brand new one, but you do have to have it open so you can get it out of there. Okay. Let's shake that Parmesan right over the top of our fish. We want to like just cover that fish with that Parmesan cheese, just like you would shake and bake, or if you were to, like, put breading or some kind of a batter over it. You want to just do the same thing with this cheese. Cover it with cheese. Even let it go down to the side into the butter if you want. Can't have enough cheese on there. That's going to end up brown. We're gonna cook the cheese towards the end. I mean, it's gonna be, burnt cheese is good. You got to know that. If you don't like burnt cheese, you might not like this recipe. All right, then we'll just pick it back up and put it in the toaster oven on about 350 for about, I'd say, I leave it in there. I leave it in there for till that. Leave it in there till the cheese gets good and dark. Don't let it burn. Keep an eye on it. Come back in about a half an hour. So I got it on 350. I'm gonna turn on a timer, and we're gonna go for 30 minutes. We'll come back and check it in 30 minutes, folks. But in the meantime, hold on a minute now. When that gets close to done, I have Oh, I got something else to cook today. Oh, I'm running into stuff. I have sugar snap. You can't see nothing, can you? My lighting sucks. Okay, I'm just a cameraman. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm not really a cameraman. But I've got some sugar snap peas here. Oh, yeah. Those are gonna be good. Why'd everything stop? Anyway, I'm going to steam some of these sugar snap peas because, oh my God, you can't go wrong with these. Those things are so good. Let's take these sugar snap peas. So I got my steamer in there. I got just a little bit of water. And let's throw our peas around there. We don't need them all, I don't think. Too many in there at one time, not good. Spread them around. Got those on high. And they're gonna steam. A couple more. When I say a couple, I mean 2. That was a couple more. So I got a little bit left. About half the package left, really. That could be good. Oh my God, I can't believe it. That'll be good. Yep. Gonna let that steam good, folks. Let that steam up real good. And we'll be back. Let's check on the fish real quick. Hang on. Let me set that to the side while we check on that fish. See how that fish is doing. Ooh-wee. That's looking good. Yeehaw! Be some damn good fish. You can't see nothing, can you? There you go. Yeah, it's gonna be good fish. I love it. Yep. Oh man, I can't wait for this. This is a good meal. It's good for you. And you know, I can't wait. When I'm done eating, I can go lay down and go to bed because that's what I like to do after I'm done eating. I like to lay down and go to bed. Probably not the best thing to do, but that's what I do. Boy, that's coming out good. We'll let it go for a little bit more. That's what we look like when we're done. Yummy. All right, folks, this is an extra wide screen, but Mama's way over there. Wave to them real quick so they can see where you're at.
Hello.
Wait, do your hand like that. Open it up and down like that. Okay. How do you like that?
I love it.
What's good?
The corn is real good.
The corn is good.
The fish is real good.
Oh, that's what I was looking for. All right, folks, let me get a try on this and see how I like it. Can't even see me, can you? It's like I could be a better cameraman if I tried. I should be a better cameraman because I've got plenty of experience. I want some salt on my. I want some sauce on that. I'm just going for the fish because, I mean, everybody can cook corn and potatoes. I'm going for that fish. I don't know how that fish tastes. Oh my God. Wow. That fish is absolutely marvelous. One thing I don't like is these sugar snap peas have bones. They have strings.
Yeah.
Maybe I didn't cook them enough,
No, that has nothing to do.
but they got bones in them. If you see, that's bones. Those are bean bones. Those are the strings in the beans. I do not like that. Some beans don't have that, some beans do. If y'all know anything about that, why do beans do that? And how can you avoid buying beans that have strings in them that don't cook? Put your comments below, folks. Thanks for watching. This is the episode of Redneck's Gone Wild. Parmesan encrusted tilapia. Mmm. Is it Mama approved?
It's delicious.
She loves it. I love it. Bye-bye. Folks, I'm going to tell you right now, and Redneck Mama would tell you the same damn thing. I steamed these beans long enough, but there ain't nothing you can do for them when they have those bones. Ain't that right?
Nope.
Did I cook them right?
Yep.
They suck, don't they?
Yep.
They suck, folks. Don't buy them damn beans. They suck. I'm disappointed because I was really looking forward to having them beans.